So the plan was to have a brand new video out instead of this, and potentially even a consistent upload schedule on this channel, but I didn't make it in time, and we released a whole bunch of new stuff on Hungry Mind, and I want to share it because there's a sale going on. So we released Flutter Kit, which is a boilerplate for you to be able to ship apps to production a lot faster. It's been a lot of hard work for me and Robert to get this out there, and we're really excited, so let me just show you what it is. So once you purchase, you'll be led to the documentation for the Flutter Kit, which gives you everything you need to know, like how to use it, how to install it, what features it has, how to update features, how to use them, how you can join the Discord for support. Then within the CLI, you can create your project by doing Hungry Mind create Flutter test project. We create this, give it a few seconds, it gets a code. We can go into our test project, and here we can open it up so we can see the code. And here you'll see a ton of files, which is the Flutter Kit is. It's a boilerplate for getting all your apps from a starting point that is easy to build on, that we can really work on features instead of working on setting up your project. So basically did all the setup for you. Here we have some extractions like logging, some UI stuff. The main one is utilities. We have HTTP, we have internationalization, we have navigation, some toasts, startup screens, 404 screens, everything synced up to work for all platforms. Then you can go in the home view, you can add your features, you can add more pages, you can actually work on the things that are important in your application. And then once you're ready, you can go back, and we have documentation on how to deploy. And there we go, we have a live link that you can share to all your friends or anybody you want, and it should be our little MVVM counter application. There you go. You should be familiar with this if you're from Flutter, but yeah. We'll count to 10. You get a toast that says your counter's at 10. You go to a random URL, you'll end up at a 404 page, so everything's caught. You can go home. And now, of course, this is featureless, so you need to add your features, but you know that this has a solid foundation with MVVM architecture, with basically everything you need to start really building features. The response to the Flutter Kit has been absolutely amazing. I'm so hyped to have this finally out there and be able to share with you. Also opened up a membership tier, so if the premium price is inaccessible, you can still try it out. In general, I'm so hyped what's going on at Hungry Mind. We built the best course, and now we have this Flutter Kit. Basically, our goal is to help you take the app idea that you have and finally get it published, whether it's from the learning stage or from the tooling that we have. So hyped, can't wait, and hopefully I'll be back with some new videos soon.